Welcome to FK iPhone, your go-to channel for everything tech. Today, we're diving into the Infinix Smart 8 Pro, one of the most exciting budget-friendly smartphones of 2025. Let us explore its features, design, and overall performance to see if it lives up to the hype. The Infinix Smart 8 Pro packs a punch in the features department. It is powered by a robust processor that ensures smooth multitasking and seamless app navigation. Gamers and heavy users will appreciate its efficient performance, even under demanding conditions. The device boasts a large display with vibrant colors and sharp resolution, offering an immersive experience whether you're streaming videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming. The battery life is another standout feature, with a high-capacity battery that can easily last an entire day of intensive use. It also supports fast charging, so you can get back to your tasks quickly without waiting for hours to recharge. For camera enthusiasts, the Smart 8 Pro delivers impressive results. The rear camera setup includes multiple lenses, allowing for wide-angle shots, stunning portraits, and detailed close-ups. The AI-powered software ensures crisp and well-balanced images, even in low-light conditions. On the front, the selfie camera captures high-quality photos with vibrant details, perfect for video calls or your next social media post. The exterior of the Infinix Smart 8 Pro is equally impressive. The device features a sleek and modern design with a glossy finish that feels premium in hand. The thin bezels around the display maximize screen real estate while maintaining a compact and ergonomic build. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to carry and durable enough for daily use. The back panel incorporates a gradient pattern that reflects light beautifully, giving it a unique and eye-catching look. The fingerprint sensor is seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring quick and secure access to your device. To conclude, the Infinix Smart 8 Pro stands out as a reliable and feature-rich smartphone in the budget segment. It combines excellent performance, a stunning display, and impressive cameras into a stylish package that doesn't break the bank. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply loves technology, this phone offers great value for its price. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more tech content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Infinix Smart 8 Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.